What's up, guys? I'm Garrett with Aldan American, and today I'm with my buddy Hoss. We're at the 2024 Hot Rod Power Tour out here in beautiful San Diego. And Hoss, thanks for cruising out, man.
Thank you.
You've got a 56 Chevy Gasser. Tell us about it, man.
I've had the car done for about 14 years. I like a little over the top.
Yeah.
And the Gasser, it just kind of has this wild, crazy look for it. So I figured that was the way to go, and it's been a great car.
Since you've had it for a few years, I mean, it's always been a Gasser.
It's always been a Gasser since we put it together. Yeah.
How do Gassers ride? What's the suspension like, or what was the suspension like, and like how do they drive?
Normally horrible.
Yeah.
So there's traditionally Gassers, I mean, they put the front up because of tire traction issues, and it was for a weight transfer deal. So back when they first started doing their some at the NHR Museum that way, so they put ball joint spacers, and they had some like cast crazy looking stuff that looks very sketchy, and this one has like a billet one. So
you called up the guys at Aldan American, you know Gary and the team.
I met Gary, and we were talking, and he's like, you know, we could do something for your car. And I'm like, well, yeah, but you guys only do stock and lowered. And I'm like, he's like, well, traditionally that's what we do. And we talked back and forth, and he's like, hey, I can make you something. He goes, you know, we can play with our shock length and do stuff, and we'll set you up. So, you know, they came up with a plan and got me some coilovers. We put them in the front, a regular adjustable shocks in the rear, because it's got stock rear suspension with just some ladder bars on it, and night and day.
Yeah.
Night and day. I mean, 90% better. I mean, it rode bad. I mean, it rode bad before, but it's like, hey, that's the look you want. That's what you're gonna, you gotta, you know, that you're gonna suffer. But it
was it stiff, or what was it like before?
Super stiff.
Yeah.
Like a speed bump, a pothole. Yeah. You're like, like it like that. Put this on. Sure. If you did not know it was up in the front, you would never ride in the car. If I blindfolded you, put you in the car and went for a ride, you'd be like, oh no, it's just a normal car. And then you get out and you're like, wait a second, this don't compute. And it's been a game changer, you know? So you know, my wife drives it, my 3 older kids drive it. I mean, we drive out to Irwindale, it's about 85 miles from our house, race it, drive it. I mean, it's a pretty good car.
Well, Hoss, thanks for coming down, dude. I appreciate you showing around your car. And yeah, if you've got a Tri-5 Chevy, Gasser, any early Ford or GM muscle car, classic pickup truck, or even late model, check out aldanamerican.com. Whether you're shopping for custom coilovers or looking for a bolt-on application, we've got you covered.